Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm gonna show you how to edit or update your profile picture in Discord. So first what you'd want to do is go to Discord here and go to user settings right here. I'll click on that on the bottom left corner. As you can see, there's a edit user profile option here. You'd want to click on that. Once you're there, you could edit a lot of options here: your display name, your pronouns, avatar, decoration, effect, banner, color, and a lot of stuff. So you want to edit your profile here, you could click on this one, change avatar. You could either click on this or just click on this part under the avatar section. Choose a GIF, or you could upload an image. So for us, let's try an image. So just click on your files, go through your files where your picture is located. And for me, it's here. Open. So as you can see, you could also adjust, or you could zoom in and zoom out and stuff, just like so. If you're done with that, you can go click on apply. So click on save changes, and boom, you have successfully updated or edited your profile picture. So if you have found this video helpful, guys, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.